Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English with us.
It's a new day, and that means a new lesson.
Hi, Steve. How are you this morning?
Hey, Maya. I'm great, thank you. I had a nice cup of coffee and went for a short run before work.
That sounds like a healthy start. I woke up late today. I pressed snooze at least 3 times.
That's okay. We've all done that. Today's lesson is perfect for you then. We're talking about daily routines and time expressions.
Perfect. I need that. My mornings are always a little chaotic.
Let's begin with the basics. When we talk about our daily routine, we usually use the present simple. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. I go to work at 8. I have lunch at noon. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Simple enough. So, Steve, what's your routine like?
Hmm, let's see. I wake up at 6, make coffee, check my emails, and then I start teaching at 8. After work, I usually go to the gym, have dinner, and relax with some music before bed.
Sounds productive. Mine is a bit different. I wake up around 7:30, take a shower, make breakfast, and then study English before work. In the evening, I like watching movies or calling my friends.
That's a great way to end the day. Now let's add time expressions that make your sentences more natural. Listen carefully. In the morning, at noon, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night.
So I can say, I read the news in the morning, or I brush my teeth at night.
Exactly. We can also use frequency expressions like every day, every morning, twice a week, 3 times a month, on weekends.
Right, like I go shopping on weekends.
Perfect. Let's try a few examples together. I exercise twice a week. I visit my family every Sunday. I drink coffee every morning.
I call my best friend every night. I cook dinner 5 times a week. I sleep in on Saturdays.
Everyone loves that one. Let's move to more advanced expressions. We use usually, sometimes, already, and yet to make our sentences richer. I usually wake up early. I sometimes watch TV after dinner. I've already finished my homework. I haven't had breakfast yet.
Oh, that's nice. I've already had 2 cups of coffee today, but I haven't eaten yet.
That's a real morning for many people.
Can we also say I'm already late?
Exactly. That's a great example. It means I'm late now, with a bit of emotion, like stress or surprise.
Steve, what time do you usually get up?
I usually get up around 6. And you?
Around 7:30. But sometimes I sleep until 8 if I go to bed late.
And what's the first thing you do in the morning?
I make tea and check my phone. Not a good habit, I know.
At least you're honest. I try to read or stretch a little before checking my phone.
That's good discipline. I'll try that tomorrow.
Let's describe a full day together. I'll start, and you continue. I wake up at 6. I make coffee and read the news. Then I teach classes until noon.
At noon, I have lunch with my coworkers. In the afternoon, I work on my projects and check my emails. After work, I go to the gym or take a walk in the park.
In the evening, I cook dinner and watch a series before bed.
And I sometimes study English at night when I'm not too sleepy.
That's good enough. Let's make it a challenge. I'll give you a time, and you tell me what you usually do then. 7 a.m.
I wake up and take a shower.
12 p.m.
I have lunch.
6 p.m.
I finish work and go home.
10 p.m.
I go to bed.
Excellent. Now try it at home. Say your own daily schedule out loud. Let's review what we learned today. Use present simple for daily routines. Use time expressions like in the morning, at night, on weekends. Use frequency words like usually, sometimes, never. Use already and yet to sound more fluent.
That's a lot of practice for one day, but it feels natural.
Exactly. The more you repeat these, the easier they become.
All right, everyone, now it's your turn. Write in the comments your morning routine in 3 sentences.
Yes. Tell us what time you wake up, what you do first, and how you end your day.
If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe.
And remember, good habits build strong English.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.